Okay, looks like we got some pretty good storms down there. Not talking to you.
Oh.
I just saw a couple lightning strikes just hit right there. Let's try this out. Hold on. It's gonna make another big boom sound right here. Look, watch. I got a car down. Oh, what the hell? What, that storm don't want me to tape him or something? That's what this problem is? Okay, never mind. Oh, you see that? That was lightning strike down there. .35 in the morning. I'll post these videos tomorrow I'll post these videos at about, I'll say about 3 o'clock later on today. Oh, look at these clouds.